will discuss the different space figures. The different space figures are prism, pyramid, cylinder, cone, and sphere. What are the different parts of a prism? The different parts of a prism are base and lateral faces. It contains 2 bases and 4 lateral faces. The cube and rectangular prism are the most common type of bright prism. A pyramid is a polyhedron with a polygon as a base and triangles as lateral faces. The most common pyramids are those with triangles, squares, and rectangles as their bases. What are the parts of a cylinder? The parts of a cylinder are lateral face, altitude, radius, and base. The radius of the base is also the radius of the cylinder, and the length of altitude is the height of the cylinder. Sphere. It is a solid which all points of which are equidistant from a given point known as the center. A radius of a sphere is a segment whose endpoints are the center and a point on the sphere. The other parts of the sphere are the chord, diameter, and tangent. What part of a sphere is a segment whose endpoints are points on the sphere? Yes, it is chord, a part of a sphere which is a segment whose endpoints are points on the sphere. Can you give me an example of chord in this illustration? The chord in our illustration is line segment EF. Who can define the diameter? Diameter is a segment that contains the center and whose endpoints are points in the sphere. It is also a line segment from the sphere that passes through its center. The example of diameter in this illustration is the line segment BC. Tangent. It is another part of a sphere. It is a line that intersects the sphere in exactly one point. The example of tangent in this illustration is the line segment GI, which it is a line segment in a sphere H.